So Buffett had a quote this year. I mean, he had a few sentences this year in his annual report. He said that in 58 years of running Berkshire Hathaway, most of my investing decisions have been no better than so-so. And he said there have only been 12 decisions that have been spectacular. So if I look at the 58-year history of Berkshire Hathaway and Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger, these guys are like the gods of investing. I mean, they're really good at what they do, right? The gods of investing are saying that they probably made about more than 300 different investments over that almost 60-year period. And out of those 300, only 12 mattered. So it was like a 4% hit rate. So now the other 296 were not losers. They maybe flatlined or did a little bit, but didn't really move the needle much. And so investing has this trait of where you can get, and you see this in your businesses as well, you can get outsized returns, right? But the outsized returns are not going to happen to every investment you make. And if I look at Warren and Charlie, I think they're like so good at what they do. 4% is a shockingly low number to do well at. But the ones that they did well on, those 12 decisions that moved the needle, those were just so spectacular. So in that period, when I had that 13x, there were 200 baggers. Two stocks that went up 100x. Okay, in one case, I had put 100,000, and it was like 9 or 10 million. And the other one was much smaller. That was a overseas investment I'd done. It was only about 10,000, but that was about a 150x. That became about $1.5 million. And so if you take out those two, it's just ho-hum. 1 million becomes like 2-3 million or something. But if you put those in, it changes. And basically that has happened a few times. So